Hi, second grade. Thank you for joining me yet again. I am always excited to spend time with you. We have been working on lots of different skills, but one of the skills we've been working on is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and when to use them out in the real world. Okay? And I want to continue to keep that fresh. So I'm going to have you guys solve some word problems for me today and tomorrow, just as extra practice. So let's start with Clara. Okay, Clara has a big heart and she wants to make people feel good. And she has been going around the neighborhood and doing chalk drawings for people in the neighborhood. And she has already gone to 8 houses in her neighborhood. And every time she gets to a house, oh, there's a little glare there. Can you see the 8? Okay, she goes to 8 houses in her neighborhood. And at each house, every time she goes to a house, she draws 3 rainbows at the house, like somewhere on their sidewalk or their driveway. So she goes to 8 different houses and she draws 3 rainbows at each house. How many rainbows does she end up drawing altogether? Solve that for me. Okay, let's say that Cyrus, also very big-hearted, has decided the way he's going to cheer everybody up during this whole quarantine is he's going to go drop off some little goodie bags to people. So first of all, he decides he goes to the store and he finds a whole bunch of those rings, those rubber plastic rings that light up, right? He loves things that are flashy and sparkly. He finds a whole bag of those, and the bag has 42 of those rings in there. And he decides that he's going to go to 7 different houses and give them a bag, okay, at each house. And each bag is going to have the same number of those flashy rings inside. He's going to take those rings and he's going to put them into 7 different bags and deliver them to 7 different houses. So he's got 42 rings. He's going to put them into 7 bags. How many rings are going to be in each bag? So you've got to think about that. Is he multiplying? Is he dividing and splitting them up? Is he subtracting? Solve that for me. You can do it. Okay. Well, let's see. Lane and Nora decide to have a little competition, okay, and see who can put the most spicy words into one of their stories. They're both really amazing at this, okay? So, and they say, actually, let's see how many altogether we can do, all right? Let's work as a team, because that's how they are, right? They're not really competitive, like, I'm better than you. They're really nice people, and they're like, hey, let's do it together, and then let's put them all together and see how many we can get to. Okay, so on Monday, the 2 of them are coming up with spicy words in an essay, and on Monday, the 2 of them are able to put in 28 spicy words into their essays. Okay. Well, Tuesday, they get a little more motivated. And on Tuesday, they're able to put 54 spicy words into their essays. On Wednesday, they put in 169 spicy words. I don't even know if that's feasible, if that's possible. Probably. They might have spent the whole day on it. And my question is, on those 3 days, how many spicy words were they able to put into their essays altogether? Solve that for me. So if you need to pause the video to write this down, you can, or you can reverse it to go back, but solve this for me. Okay. Now I have another question with this. Okay. How many more spicy words were they able to do on Wednesday than they were able to do on Monday? How many more were they able to put on Wednesday than they did on Monday? Solve that for me. Great job. And then if you want to come up with your own word problem, Okay, maybe one that involves addition and subtraction, one that has multiplication and division. Put it on a whiteboard, put it in a little video for me, whatever you want, put it on Seesaw. I would love to see your challenge. Bye.